A chain reaction of turmoil and turbulence. Roughly 175 flights operated by the Tata Group's budget airline Air India Express have been grounded in the last 2 days. All this following mass sick leave taken by 100 cabin crew members on Tuesday night.
Well, at the Delhi's Terminal 3 airport, at the display number, all I see, one flight which was Air India Express 8:20, which was to be departure, until 10:20. Flight nearly being reported for 2 hours. The flight is delayed. Rest all several domestic flights that I've seen Air India since morning have been on time, have either taken off, or the check-in is in process, or a few the gates even closed. Now gradually, because these are the unscheduled flights, all of a sudden you go to the boarding counter, you take your boarding passes, and then suddenly you realize the crew members, which were supposed to be as per the rosters to ensure services in the flight, have not joined the duty. And then that leads to the cancellation of the flight, and that's how the unscheduled flight literally causes inconvenience, and that's how the situation here at Delhi's Terminal 3 airport.
On Thursday alone, a staggering 85 flights were cancelled. Air India Express runs more than 360 flights daily.
पूना की फ्लाइट से दिल्ली आए, अब दिल्ली तो हमारा श्रीनगर फ्लाइट था। दिल्ली में लैंड होने के बाद हमको पता चला कि श्रीनगर का फ्लाइट कैंसिल हो गया, लेकिन क्यों कैंसिल हो गया, किस लिए, कि क्या वजह थी, ये बताया नहीं। जब हम एयर एक्सप्रेस के इंक्वायरी काउंटर मतलब उनके ऑफिस में आए तो उधर का स्टाफ कोई ठीक तरह से जवाब नहीं दे रहा था। रात का स्टाफ सुबह चेंज हो गया, सुबह का अभी दोपहर का चेंज हो गया, लेकिन उनका आंसर यही है कि आप हम काम कर रहे हैं, आपको आधे घंटे बाद बताएंगे, 1 घंटे बाद बताएंगे।
घटिया टाइप बोलते हैं ना, उस टाइप ट्रीटमेंट हुई है एयर इंडिया से। कोई हमको ये नहीं मिला, खाने पीने का नहीं मिला, सही जवाब नहीं मिला। लोगों ने बहुत झगड़े किए, बहुत मारा पीटी भी हुई रात को वहाँ।
प्लेन लेट के कारण एयर इंडिया वाले बोल रहे हैं एयर एक्सप्रेस में जाओ, एयर एक्सप्रेस वाले बोल रहे हैं एयर इंडिया में जाओ। कोई संतोषजनक हमको जवाब नहीं दे रहे हैं, कुछ ठीक से नहीं बता रहे हैं, हमको दोनों तरफ घुमा रहे हैं खाली।
With a workforce of over 2,000 cabin crew members, the airline serves 31 domestic and 14 international destinations and boasts a fleet of over 70 aircraft. According to airline sources, Air India Express has sent termination letters to 30 crew members who called in sick, accusing them of premeditated absence without a valid reason, and warning others to return to work promptly or face similar termination. A meeting has been called in Delhi by a regional labour commissioner, summoning both the airline management and protesting employees in an effort to resolve the ongoing airline crisis. Air India was acquired by the Tatas in 2022 and is in the process of merging with Vistara, while Air India Express is merging with AirAsia India. Bureau Report, India Today. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.